I'm Amy Franceschini from Futurefarmers, and we're working with the Botanical Gardens. And the challenge from the Botanical Gardens is to connect people and plants. Our group is creating a project called Murs from the High Hills. And the project is basically to create a set of soft knowledge that is different than what kind of knowledge the Botanical Gardens collects, which is kind of hard scientific data about the plants that they present in their gardens. So our team is going out to a small village an hour and a half from Ljubljana called Podovo, which the Botanical Gardens works with. It has a very distinct ecosystem there and biotope. And they're selecting 3 plants from that region which have criteria of endangered, endemic, and have good stories. And they're working with the people who live in the village to get stories about each plant. I think what's distinct about the way in which the group is working is that they're using this format of this gathering of soft knowledge as a sort of performative act. So they're creating a series of props that they're using as recording devices, as collectors, that can then be turned into tools that live on at the Botanical Gardens to collect more data about plants. One of the aims that we have with this work and design work in general that's shown within an exhibition is to try to create an object or an experience that a visitor experiences the work in such a way that triggers them to realize how much knowledge they already have. So for instance, the exhibition will be in the Botanical Gardens, and we want the visitors who visit the Botanical Gardens to see within this project that they also know a lot about plants in their everyday life. Maybe it's such a daily ritual to be drinking a certain type of tea that they don't realize that they actually know what that tea does to them. So we want this to trigger a common knowledge and a way for that common knowledge to be collected. So the team is creating a series of objects that will permanently live in the Botanical Gardens to relay common knowledge, but also to collect.